Hi. New Year's Eve is coming, Dean.
Yep.
Remember when I used to make these? But I've reinvented them. So everyone has put some filling in one of these. So I'm going to show you. We're just going to put a little bit of olive oil on this. And you're going to put it in your pan. I used a little tart pan this time. And it worked really good. So you're going to bake them at like 350 for about 8 minutes. But, hey Dean, keep your eye on it because I burnt the first pan.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you how to put it together. So here I have a half of an 8-ounce thing of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, some lemon zest, which is really important in this, and some green onions, and the crab you can buy. I usually buy the one in the sleeves, and I use 2 sleeves. So you're going to put your mixture in here. And as you can see here too, I cooked some shrimp. Now you could buy the cooked shrimp for this, but I had raw shrimp, so I cooked it myself, and I put some lemon in the water and boiled it for about 5 minutes. But this is cocktail sauce. When I used to make these before, I just used shrimp. And I love crab rangoon. So this is basically the mixture for a crab rangoon. So you put your sauce on there, a little bit of green onions, and then a couple pieces of your shrimp. Now how cute is that? Mm-hmm. Now look at how cute it would be if you brought a board wherever you're going, or if you're having your own party. Put a little lemon on there. And I think I'm going to taste one because I literally haven't had these. I mean, how many years has it been since I made something like this?
Quite a few.
Now you could fill this with whatever you want, but this is something really unique that nobody would ever have before. So let's give it a taste. It's a crab rangoon, and it also is like shrimp cocktail. How good is that? Give it a try, and Dean and I want to wish everyone a Happy New Year. So keep smiling.